Good morning guys. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. In today's video I have made myself a couple of ramps with some wood to get us into the first field, as we need to get some burn rubbish up into the pile. We're clearing out the garage. There's all this old rotten wood, so we're going to get it up there and get it all burnt. Right guys, so I'm up in the yard. It is absolutely frozen up here with ice. There was a nice frost last night, and I can show you it is like an ice skating rink. You just got to be careful, you might slip. So I've got to keep my eye out where I'm going today. All these lovely build up of water is just froze over. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some of this dry wood, make a pile, start burning some of the wet wood that we've got. It's just been so wet, we've not been able to burn any. So I'm going to hopefully get some of that done. Got my little helper here with me again, follow me around like she usually is. So hopefully let's get some of this done.
When it comes, it's going to come.
Yep.
I mean, when that comes, that is going to come down like a pack of cards.
Ah, the thing is huge. That's how deep she was. Jesus, I want to record that. Holy. That was insane. Get your light on there properly. That was absolutely buried. To put an example, this line here was how far in that was. So all the wood is now out. That's took quite a bit of time. Now the next job will just be clearing it all up and putting it somewhere else until we can dispose of it. Right, I have no idea how well you can see me. I am using a torch just to illuminate myself for the camera. So we've been doing our daily chore, which is burning lots of wood. We're always burning wood. So I'm just taking you along now to show you how we've been getting on. Because as we started earlier, we got all the wood at the garage. We used that to start the fire. And then we just constantly keep adding trees. It doesn't help. The old man has decided to go out today with his chainsaw and add more trees to it. So just coming up to the fire now. So yeah, we've been getting on with the day. She's been burning lovely all day. She's been I don't know if I can illuminate it. Yeah, she's been going all day. Yeah, there you go, that's better. So we just keep chucking trees on, wood branches on, anything, you name it, it goes on there. Rubbish from the farm that we find when it's buried up there, we get that out. And what'll happen, we'll just leave this one tonight. She'll burn through, we'll come out in the morning, most of this will be gone. So yeah, that is a video on some of the, well, on one of the daily chores, that is. It seems to be pretty consistent. The amount of wood we've got, and we just can't get the piles to go quick enough, so we're just doing it in these small ones. Oh, she's going off a treat. I put some old plastic that I found. I have no idea what it was, but it was just full of water. I chucked it on, and this is the outcome. I don't believe it. Whatever that was, we've needed it. That would have set the whole pyre alight in the field if we had that. I have no idea what was on that, but jeez, she's loving it. That is a fire, finally. It's a shame it's so late, otherwise we could just chuck so much wood on that right now. We don't want to add too much to it because it's so dark we can't see. Having to use torches and carry stuff by hand. So the cat has come out to join us. Look at this.
Yeah. She's gone. When the kids
Hello.
goes.
Oh, she's off. Right guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button. I got the torch in my hands. So yeah, oh, there goes a big bird. I bet it won't make it out in the camera, that sucks. Yeah, all right.